Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 BYD Dolphin is expected to be either a next-generation model or a significant makeover of BYD's popular tiny electric hatchback. The primary areas for advancement are autonomous technology, efficiency, and performance. Outside design, the 2026 Dolphin is expected to retain BYD's unique ocean aesthetics design language with a more refined and conventional touch. It is expected to sport a changed front end with slimmer LED headlamps and a redesigned closed grille. It is expected that the overall proportions would virtually remain the same as the current model, preserving its compact, agile hatchback characteristics. A full-width light bar at the back and a new bumper are reported. Interior, a simple, simplistic dashboard design. The main control center remains a large rotating touchscreen, perhaps measuring at least 12.8 inches. The infotainment system uses the latest DiLink 5.0 technology, which is powered by the state-of-the-art Qualcomm 8295 chip. Reports state that this device enables remarkably fast voice command responses in as little as 0.8 seconds. The vegan leather upholstery on the seats will offer respectable support, and the Platform 3.0 will provide a level floor with plenty of legroom in the rear compartment. Luggage capacity is still reasonable, with a base capacity of roughly 345 liters that can be extended to 1,310 liters when the back seats are folded 60-40 split. Utilizing the Blade Battery 2.0, the latest version of BYD's lithium iron phosphate LFP battery. Higher energy density, faster charging, and better durability, especially in cold climates, where it can reportedly keep 80% capacity at -30 degrees Celsius. The car's chassis structure will most likely incorporate battery integration technology, which will reinforce the frame, reduce weight, and potentially increase passenger space. The top model should be able to go more than 520 kilometers, in accordance with China's CLTC standard. The addition of a rear-wheel drive RWD option to the standard front-wheel drive FWD system, which would improve handling and driving characteristics, is a topic of much discussion. New models with higher power output and efficiency are expected in addition to the existing 70 kilowatts and 150 kilowatts power options. Suspension. To improve handling and comfort, the model is expected to switch to a more sophisticated rear suspension, such as a 4-link or possibly a 5-link configuration. ADAS system. BYD presents the God's ADAS system, which enhances autonomous driving capabilities and safety. Level 2 capabilities, such as optional Highway NOA, are expected to be provided by autonomous features.